I know 2025 is here. Everybody's gonna have New Year's resolutions. And I know in 2 weeks, mostly everybody quits. I don't want that happening to you. So I want you to join me here, guys. Mondays and Thursdays, that's when I post workouts. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and welcome to 2025. I just want to wish you a very, very happy New Year. I hope you guys had a wonderful celebration. I hope you had a wonderful 2024 and that 2025 is even better. We're back at it, guys. First workout of 2025, Thursday, core. Today we need a single dumbbell that is heavy and a basement, and you're all set and ready to go. We have 4 different exercises. We got wood choppers left, wood choppers right, 20 halos, and then 20 up and overs. So just basically doing, get down on the ground and bring your feet over the dumbbell. That's all there is to it. Not gonna waste any more of your time. Thank you for joining me over the last 5 years, guys. I really do appreciate your support, and let's get going with this workout in 5 seconds. All right, guys, we are back. Grab your heavy dumbbell. For me, it's a 30-pound dumbbell. If it gets too heavy, there's no shame. Switch into a different weight. I'm using a 30 to start off with. We're going 20 wood choppers on one side, and then we're going to switch it up and go 20 wood choppers on the other side. So whatever side you start with, it's up to you. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2. Doing my best to count 3 and not hit the ceiling. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Let's take a break and let's go on the other side. Breaks over. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 10. 8, 9, and 10. And we're going for 20 halos, you guys. And you know what? I'm gonna kneel down over here because there's a low ceiling in here and do it from the floor. Feel free to stay standing. We're going for 20. Ready? We're gonna switch directions, everyone. Don't hit yourself in the head. 1, 2, 3. Engage that core. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. Work with me. I'm working hard. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more. 1 and 2. Oh, did I mention that we're doing 3 sets of this? 20 up and overs. All right, this is up and over for me. Put your feet down on either side, I don't care. We're going 20 times. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's take a little break and we're gonna get right back at it. Give ourselves, what, 20, 30 seconds? That was set number 1. Set number 2 and 3 are gonna be exactly the same, except harder because we're tired. By the way, if you see me already sweating profusely, because I just finished running a mile. Every year I try to break the 6-minute mile. I've done it since I was 30. I'm 53 now. This was year 23 and we were successful. I clocked it at 5:47 or 5:48, something like that. Anyway, hence the sweat. Let's get going, set number 2. We're going wood choppers. We're going for 20. We're not messing around. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, halfway. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch sides. 1, 2, stay with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. Come on. 1 and 2. And on the ground. On the knees. Halos. 20. Dumbbell ready to go. Let's go. 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. Not stopping now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. Dumbbell on the ground. Up and overs. 20. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, I think. Close enough. All right, 2 sets down, guys. I am beat. That's okay. Anyway, we'll take a little break and go for set number 3. Like I said, this is Fit After 50. I know 2025 is here. Everybody's gonna have New Year's resolutions. And I know in 2 weeks, mostly everybody quits. I don't want that happening to you. So I want you to join me here, guys. Mondays and Thursdays, that's when I post workouts. Thursdays, core. Mondays, some kind of a cardio, strength training type of thing. Start with that only. Do that for a month. Let it become a habit. Then move on. And then initial workouts. They don't have to be huge, just short, so it becomes a habit and a part of your life. And that's what will get you healthy and fitter. Hopefully in 2025 than you were in 2024, especially if you weren't doing much in 2024, which is okay. But you know, you can make a change in whenever. Beginning of the year, middle of the year, November 7th, January 1st, or June 4th. Doesn't really matter. You can start whenever you want. So that's my little take from me to you. Have a wonderful 2025. Let's get going with set number 3. Wood choppers, last and final set. Let's go for 20. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway there. Come on. I can't even speak anymore. I'm so tired. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and switch sides. And let's go. 1, 2, beautiful. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chop that wood with me. Come on. 8, 9. Halfway. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More power. 7. Come on. 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. And we're going for halos. On the ground. Last time. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. Keep it up. Come on. 1, 2, 3. I'm tired too. Come on. 4, 5, 6. 4 more. 2 more. And that's it. Up and overs. Dumbbell up. Sit back. Relax. And let's go for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9. 2 more for 10. Halfway. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that's it, guys. I'm not gonna torture myself, nor you anymore with any more course for today. This was our first workout of 2025. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you come back for the rest of the year. I hope you get healthier, get fitter, whatever. That's what I'm striving for too. My name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. This is The Basement, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.